JavaScript Closures, a type of function in JavaScript that has the ability to access variables outside the function scope. It is used to encapsulate data to make them private so that they cannot be used where they are not needed. When a function is called, it checks any variable that it is using. JavaScript then binds them together in a bundle and sends it to the JavaScript engine. The variable is stored in the heap rather than the call stack, where it can be accessed if needed. This is because the call stack destroys the variables when the function context is over, but the heap lives until JavaScript decides it is useful. The inner function can access data of the outer scope, but the outer function cannot access data from the inner scope. In interviews, you will be often asked questions like, what is the closure in JavaScript? Or give an example where you have encountered closures. One such example is a React component where you have the states and it can be accessed anywhere in that component but not outside the component. This was JavaScript Closures. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.